the comms team can unlock doors that you didn't even know existed, and they can get you straight to a person that you hadn't even thought to ask for. So that's fantastic. Comms are so connected. VCSE, unbelievable, brilliant people. Find your nearest VCSE alliance and make good friends with them. And finally getting into the population health steering group, so really understanding in this area, these are the current priorities that everyone's kind of carrying around on their shoulders like a kind of millstone. So if by kind of listening in on that particular meeting, you get a really good overview of the big crocodiles they're fighting off right now, plus where they'd love to get to. So it means you can go back and do that translation and say, oh, you brought up that subject of children and young people's mental health. Can I show you a thing? Can I demonstrate you this? Can I point you at this resource? And obviously, Jane, you're amazing. Creative Health at a Glance, smashing that out as often as possible, because people really love that it reaches them first. It's a really good translator straight to health. The two really tiny things that I was so giddy about was, one was getting the team that control how healthcare libraries, of which there is one, and at least one in every NHS ICB, getting them to include arts and health as an actual category. And I'd known how hard it was to do a research search when I did my master's. And now there's an actual arts and health label, W592, and they were so fast to respond, it blew my mind. It's like, this is not like the NHS that I know. I got a reply in 2 weeks, I got a yes a week later, and then they did it the week after and just told me they'd done it. So that's kind of fantastic. So, and then the other one was, it only happened last week. I've got, 5 working days left. And I sat in a population health steering group meeting, and they showed me, well, they showed everybody here's how population health will be carried out for the next couple of years. And here is our kind of spider map. And it was filled with the labels of like the health inequalities and blah, blah, blah. And they'd actually added creative health on that thing. And I had to just not be giddy on this really serious grown-up Teams call. So that was just like, and I did get a one-to-one with the person who presented that, and I went, I was so glad, you've made my year. So yeah, tiny little thing, but they've at least included it, and they've shared it in public, and it's on the document. Hooray, and they've shown where it reports back to.